Hello, this is Math 1401. My name is Lee Clendenning. I go by Mr. C, and I'm making an introductory video to go over the overview, the syllabus, and the calendar. If you'll watch these videos ahead of time, it will make our introductory Zoom meeting tomorrow night at 8 o'clock go much quicker. Try to encourage you to watch these videos. I am, number one, going to make them short, and number two, I'm going to embed a scrambled code that if you watch these videos and listen carefully and email me the unscrambled correct code, I will award you 5 points extra credit on the first test. I'm including a video of myself on these first videos just to let you know who I am, that I am a real person, and that I am teaching online this semester. And so to get started, listen carefully because I'm going to give it scrambled. The second digit of the code is 4. Second digit of the secret code is 4. Again, there are going to be 2 digits in this video. There's going to be one more video where I give the first assignment for this week. There'll be 2 digits in that video. Unscramble the code, and it's worth 5 points extra credit on the first test. Okay, there are 2 attendance activities this semester. There's a mandatory attendance quiz in D2L. That'll be under quizzes. As you go the words along the top of D2L, there's quizzes. You click on that. There's a mandatory attendance quiz for you to answer some questions. You don't take a grade on it. You're just supposed to complete it, and then I mark you as attended. And there's also a discussion post under discussions where you introduce yourself to the class. And if I see your name or email there in both spots, then you are marked as attending. Those are the only 2 attendance events of the entire semester. I sort of keep track of who's attending by the rest of the semester by who turns in the graded assignments. Okay, I'm a 32-year math teacher here. I won't read all this to you, but you can read down. In terms of class time, I'm not down to a specific class time, and I'm covering roughly 2 sections a week. Although some weeks there may only be one section. You will work on these at your own pace whenever it is convenient for you. I will be assigning practice problems from the book and stat lab problems. All right, 4. Okay, there'll be online tests after every chapter. So each week I will assign the sections that we are going over and the problems and questions. I'm scheduling online Zoom meetings that will approximate being in a live classroom. That means you can ask me to work a problem you want to see worked out. I've rigged up my iPhone as a camera. I'll show you that in the second video where I can write down solutions and answers in real time as if you were in the classroom and I was doing it on the blackboard. All directions for this will be forthcoming. You can always contact me at this email address with any questions. Do not send me email inside D2L. I do not respond to D2L email. I like to keep my life simple, and the only way to keep it simple is to have one spot where everyone goes to send me email, and that's the address, my standard UNG email address. All right, let's start with stop the share and let's switch to the syllabus. I knew nothing about online teaching through the middle of last March. And then everything shut down with COVID in the middle of last March. And I've had to learn, and I'm still learning. So I try to keep things really simple, and that works best. But if you see something that I could be doing easier or simpler or whatever, feel free to contact me and let me know. I'm all ears. All right, this is Math 1401, Statistics Online. And I say this, I think maybe in the overview, but I have 3 of these classes. The CRNs are 6989, 6990, and 6991. The school has allowed me to upload all the course materials once to 6989. And if you're in the other 2 classes, you should be able to view them. I don't control any of that. So when you log on to D2L, you should be able to see these same materials, even though I've only uploaded them once. All right, there's my name. My office happens to be in 142, but don't go by and see me. I won't be there. You contact me online at this email address. Again, I won't be at my office phone either. All right, important dates are add dates through the 15th, this Friday. Mid-semester drop day is March 5th. And the final exam is the week of May 3rd to May 7th, and the details, it'll be online and details will be announced. All right, we have our book, Fundamentals of Statistics. Graphing calculator will be very helpful. You can see, I won't read all this to you. You can read down through it. See all the different course objectives we're going to be going over. All right, course calendar of all these sections. Maybe I'll bring that in. Share. See if I can find the course calendar. Okay, chapter 1 has like 2 sections on it, and again, give a quiz after every chapter on Fridays, except when we finish a unit. So there'll be quiz 1, quiz 2 here. They will just be over the sections we cover for that week. And then since I finished the first unit, test 1, then this day will be over chapter 1 and 2.1 and 2.2. And so this will continue on down. 2 sections a week here, quiz 3. And then we quiz test 2 there, 3, 4, and 3, 5. I'll finish chapter 3. We charge into chapter 5, got a couple quizzes there, and then we hit test 3 right on drop day, and we continue on down until we finally finish on line May 3rd. Well, the final exam will be that week, and we will announce the details. Back to the syllabus. Attendance, again, since we're online, there's only 2 mandatory attendance activities. The mandatory attendance quiz and online discussion post. And again, you get those in D2L under quizzes and discussion. That should be really obvious once you click on those words. Otherwise, there's no attendance. We're taking it Zoom meetings or anything else that we will announce and go to. You can see the supplemental course information. I have to give a proctored activity worth 30% of your grade, and so 1 test will be proctored, usually test 2. The average of the other tests, which are non-proctored, be 20%, quizzes 20%, stat lab assignments 20%, final exam is 10%. Standard grading. It's very important to keep up with this online work every day. If you fall behind, it's very difficult to catch up. The students who did best last semester were students who kept up with it week after week after week. I did have people email and say, God, I haven't been online in 5 weeks. You know, you have dug yourself a big hole. If you can catch up, I mean, you know, there's no way. It really rewards people who can self-motivate and keep up with the work on their own. All right, there's supplemental syllabus here. I'll let you read all through this. If you have disabilities, who to contact, plagiarism, copyright, disruptive behavior, evaluations, etc. Probably won't have any problem with inclement weather. We won't get any snow days being online unless the snow knocks out my internet. We'll see if such a thing happens. All right, you read down through and then you can see all the grades that can be awarded in any class. Well, not every class, but a lot of classes. All right, the third digit of the secret code is 6. So I'm giving 2 digits in this video. That's the end of the introductory course materials. I'm going to save this to YouTube, distribute it by email, and distribute the link to that YouTube video via email. It will also be posted in D2L. Thank you for watching.